Hey everyone, my name is Brandon Miller, and I'm here to talk to you about my writing journey, my academic writing journey, and what it's been like for me. Um, Through my high school and early college years, writing, which I thought at that moment in time was pretty good. But as I started to hire graduate classes, and really towards the end of my bachelor's into my higher graduate classes and my master's, I really came to find out that my academic writing was not where it needed to be. So for me, there was a lot of work that I needed to do in order to prepare myself and be able to write at the level that was being asked of me to do to be successful in those classes. Of course, like always, there's a lot of reading, but in order to take that reading and the research that I was doing and able to capture it and put it to writing for a group of audience from my professors and peers that I was working with was a different topic and different load of work that I needed to do. So therefore, that I had to do a lot of work. I worked with a lot of my professors, the library, the resources that they provided me, learning APA format to make sure all those pieces were correct, and then really turned into being a better writer. I would say even to this day, although I've done a lot of graduate course level classes, and even now into this coursework is. I'm still critiquing my writing, and I think that that's always going to be a piece that we're constantly doing. And as learners, as educators, that's a piece that we're always striving to be as a better writer, a better teacher, a better reader, better mathematician, and having that reflection piece still very in the front. Part of my learning, I believe that will always be a reflection for me. So that's a little bit about my academic writing journey and my learning through this process, and I can't wait to continue to learn to be better. Thanks everyone for listening.